And we're back. So as we look forward, we can see now that Bitcoin is starting to take a tumble, and we should not be surprised, because as this conflict continues to start to boil between Ukraine and Russia, the whole market is going to shake and rattle as they start trying to figure out how we're going to get out of this pickle. And this is something that we just have to live with in the crypto markets. And for that matter, with the S&P 500, the stock market, and any investments, anytime there's instability in a region and, there might be military action that might take place, it makes markets unstable. This is perhaps the time where a lot of people unfortunately get burned because not understanding how these geographic incidents actually make the markets go up and down. People lose their minds over this stuff, and then they are quick to draw and get out, and unfortunately lose what gains they could have gleaned from just hanging in there. Now, we have to say that this is not financial advice and that this is for entertainment, but this is not entertainment, folks. This is information. We have videos on this channel that talk about exactly what has happened with regards to the S&P 500 in other times of conflict and unrest and tension. I invite you to please go look at those videos. Do not be fooled just because Bitcoin goes below $40,000 while this crisis is underway. We're still at peace for the most part all around the world. This tension between the Ukraine and Russia, hopefully it abates. If anything, from an investment point of view, this is another buying opportunity. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Does the crypto market start to decline a little bit? Pray for peace and hang in there. Crypto Big Boss, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.